Hi guys, I feel like I've searched the entire internet looking for actually effective web tools. Honestly, most of what's being discussed right now is already outdated. I'd almost given up until I stumbled upon an interesting project right inside Telegram. Today I'm going to show you how it works from the inside. First, a quick disclaimer this is just my personal testing experience for educational purposes. This is not financial advice, so let's open Telegram. Everything runs through the app itself. All I just need is just follow the steps. One click and the interface loads directly in the messenger. All right, here I'm going to press the continue. I'm selecting the necessary parameters and setting up the options step by step. 1 second, I need to complete a few requirements. While I'm setting this up, let me remind you this is just for entertainment only. Please always do your own research. Now, let me do a quick preparation here. Okay, fill there. Also, this one. And just a moment, please. Okay. Okay, everything is done. And I'm going to refresh it. There we go. Done. Everything is very visual. Just scroll through the steps. Step one. Okay, select this. All right, and the next step. Step two, copy this element and send it. The next one, same thing. Copy, paste it, and click. And finally, enter this element into here as well. Okay, there you go, guys. Final step loading. Stay tuned to see the main part. Okay, so yep, everything is ready. We've got an image here to guide us into the game. All right, let's do the most important actions, and we're gonna just copy what you see here. Fill this out. Click here and hit the second one. Wow, look at this, guys. It's awesome. Now, let's check the technical side of the transfers. I'm going to try and move the accumulated rewards back to my external address, setting up the wallet network. 1 second. This is where I grab the info. So just going to there and hit confirm. The transaction went through pretty fast, as I expected. Okay, checking the wallet. Refresh it. Okay, just a moment. And yes, everything synced up correctly. Very interesting experience, especially after searching for effective tools for so long. There's more info in the bio. Thanks for watching.